In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Visual Studio Code so you can speed up your coding workflow, get help writing code, and make debugging a whole lot easier. This is a really simple setup, and once you do it once, you'll be able to use it again anytime you want inside VS Code. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure you download and set it up first, because this tool works directly inside the VS Code editor. Once VS Code is open, look over to the left-hand side and click on Extensions. This is where you can add extra tools and features to Visual Studio Code. In the extension search bar, type ChatGPT. You'll now see a list of related extensions appear on the screen. From the results, look for ChatGPT Easy Code and select it. This is the extension we're using to connect ChatGPT-style assistants inside your coding environment. After you open the extension page, click Install. VS Code will now download and add the extension to your editor. Give it a few seconds to finish installing, and once it's done, you should see the option to sign in or get started. Next, click Sign In and follow the prompts on screen. Depending on the extension setup, you may need to connect your account or complete a quick authorization step before you can begin using it. After you're signed in, the extension is ready to use. At this point, you can start asking for help, generating code, rewriting functions, or getting explanations right inside Visual Studio Code without constantly switching tabs. This is what makes the workflow so powerful, because you can stay focused in one place and get coding support instantly. If you want to make the most of it, try using ChatGPT for quick code snippets, fixing errors, understanding unfamiliar code, or even brainstorming project ideas. The more specific you are with your requests, the better the results you'll usually get. And that's it. You've now learned how to use ChatGPT in Visual Studio Code by installing the ChatGPT Easy Code extension and signing in to start using it. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next software guide.